Winston Churchill said, "There's something about the outside of a horse that's good for the inside of a man." Now, I don't say it as pretty as he does, but I do agree with this sentiment. So we're going to make two horses today, one that can gallop and one that truly rocks. We'll start with the basic horse, and we're going to name this one Red Dead Inflation. You want your balloon to be about 7 inches uninflated at the end. And to begin with, we're going to make a soft 1-inch bubble. We want it to be soft because we're going to do a lot of stuff to this. So, to begin with, we're going to squeeze a little bit of air out before we make the twist. That's how we make it soft. Now that we've got our soft bubble, we're going to make a pinch twist out of it by taking the knot here, bending it over. See that? I just folded the knot over, pinch it with my other hand. Now we're going to twist it round. Right. Now, here comes the fun part. This is actually the hardest part of the figure. If you get through this part, the rest of it is an easy trot to the finish line. We are going to pinch twist this. Well, more like we're going to twist it in half. So we've already got a pinch twist. Now we're going to twist it in half. See that? Now, if that weren't a soft bubble, that would actually, it could pop on you. It could just pop out on you. But because it's a soft bubble, you get away with that. So that's the mouth. That is the horse's mouth you've heard so much about. Now, for the head and ears, we're going to make a 1-inch bubble and then 2 half-inch bubbles. There's your chain. We're going to lock twist the ears together. All right, so now you got your mouth and your muzzle and your ears. For the neck and the mane, we're going to do a 1.5-inch bubble. There's your neck. And now we're going to do 6 half-inch bubbles for the mane. There's a chain. That's a long chain. It actually looks like a chain. Now, when you're first doing these, if the little ones pop out on you while you're in the middle of it, don't worry about it. That's usual. As long as you keep a firm grasp on them at the start and the finish, they should be fine. Now, we are going to lock twist the first bubble in this chain and the last one there. We're going to lock those two together. Now, it doesn't look like a mane yet, but that's where you want to be. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the mane here, and we're going to drag it over the ears, and then tuck the ears over them. Okay? Show you what that looks like. Okay, now that's the first part of the process. See that? So these are the ears right here. We're now going to tuck both ears through this gap in these two bubbles. The part of the mane, we're going to tuck the ears through there. And that is it. The mane is done. Now we just need to straighten out the mouth. Okay, and the rest of this, see that? You could almost play chess with that. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to make some legs in the body, and the horse is done. It's that easy. So for the legs, we're going to do about 1.5 to 2-inch bubbles for the legs. It's your preference. We're going to make 2 of them. There's a chain, and we're just going to lock these 2 together. Okay, now you want to leave about 3 inches for the body. And then we're going to make 2 more 1.5 to 2 inch bubbles. Man, try to make them the same length as the front legs. All right, so that's it. Now we're going to lock twist those together. And you've got yourself a basic horse. The legs are a little bit short and the tail's a little bit long. So we're going to fix that real easy. We're going to make a bubble right here. If you make the legs longer, you get less tail. But because we got so much, we want to clean that up. We're going to make a 1-inch bubble right here. All right, now we're going to make a safety bubble. That's another 1-inch bubble right here, 1 to 1.5 inch. All right, you see that? Now, if you've done a bunch of balloons and you're comfortable with it, you can just tear this bit right off. You don't even need it. All right, but if you're not comfortable with that, you haven't practiced a bit, then just take yourself a pair of scissors or a sharp knife and pop that last bit. This is the safety bubble, so we want to keep this pinched while we let this go. And that gives us enough to tie. There you go. You got yourself a little horsey. Now we're going to make the rocking horse. The head is exactly the same as the other horse, and so is the amount of air you want left over. So about 6 to 7 inches at the end, uninflated. And remember to start with a soft bubble. Now, because this head is exactly like what you've already seen, we're going to speed this up. And there we go. We got another horse's head. So now, for the body of the rocking horse, we're going to make a 2-inch bubble, and then a 3-inch bubble, and then 2 2-inch bubbles. Okay, there's your chain. We're going to lock twist this bubble. Now remember, this is not the neck. This is actually the front of the body. This is the neck right here. So we're going to lock twist this bubble to here underneath the neck in the mane. So now we've got the body of the horse and one of the rockers. So for the other rocker, we're just going to make a 2-inch bubble, a 3-inch bubble, and then another 2-inch bubble. Okay, there's the chain. You got 1 inch left at the end. There's no need to clean up anything. You usually hit the end of the balloon by the time you're making this. And now we're just going to lock twist it right there. And you have a rocking horse. So now you can make as many balloon horses as you want. You can have a balloon herd. You could open a balloon ranch. Just keep in mind that, as I mentioned in another video, teddy bears loves riding horses. So as soon as you've got horses, well, it won't be long. Oh yeah, that was fast. You guys got here real quick. Yeah, well, I mean, it tracks, because once you're making horses, it won't be long before you're making teddy bears. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. We make new videos every time someone leads a horse to water. And if there's a balloon sculpture that you've always wanted but never seen, leave it in the comments. I might be able to make it for you.